Insomnia, difficulty in falling asleep or staying asleep. He has insomnia, so he can't sleep at night. Insomnia is a common problem among shift workers. Runny nose. Do you have a tissue? I have a runny nose. He has a runny nose because of the cold. Wheezing, making a whistling or rattling sound while breathing. He started wheezing after running. She was wheezing after climbing the stairs. Sore throat. She is suffering from a sore throat. Sore throat is common during cold weather. Headache. I have a terrible headache. This loud noise is giving me a headache. Congestion. Blocked nose or chest. I have chest congestion. I can't breathe because of my congestion. Diarrhea. Loose and watery stools, often happening many times a day. Diarrhea is common during the summer. She got diarrhea after eating street food. Migraine, a very strong headache. She has been suffering from migraines for years. He had to rest in a dark room because of a migraine. Constipation, having difficulty in passing stools. I ate too much junk food. Now I have constipation. My stomach feels tight because of constipation. Sprain, to hurt a joint like an ankle or wrist by twisting it. I got a sprain while playing football. I can't walk fast due to my sprained foot. Fracture, a break or crack in a bone. He has a fracture in his arm. She fell off the bike and got a leg fracture. Bruise, he got a bruise on his nose after falling. She bruised her knee while playing. Swelling, she can't move her fingers because of the swelling. Apply an ice pack to reduce the swelling. Toothache. I have a terrible toothache. She went to the dentist because of a toothache. Back pain. I have a back pain after lifting something heavy. I can't bend because of my back pain. Faint. He fainted due to low blood pressure. The old man fainted because he was too tired. Fever. She has a high fever and needs rest. He caught a fever after getting soaked in the rain. Cold. I cannot go outside because I have a cold. She is sneezing a lot because of the cold. Cough. He has a bad cough since last night. Cover your mouth when you cough.